Oxon. Changed his mind. Oxon gets a better shot, and it drops.
Wow. Uy. Very surprising dito na binalik pa ni Coach Charles itong si Miguel Oxon. They had 17 point lead. Ano ba? Ano kaya ang dahilan ni Coach Charles?
Oh no. Oh no. Somebody grab a hold of John Amores.
All players please proceed to the shaded area in front of your respective benches.
Ayun na nga si Mr. Paul Supan. Inaano na tong si Amores. Medyo hindi maganda doon dahil ang sinusugod ni Amores doon hindi player, yung referee na natin. Ano kaya nangyari dito? Bakit nagkaganon si Amores?
Oh no, Amores wanting to go after a fan, and punches being thrown here. Oh no.
All players please proceed to the shaded area in front of your respective benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench at the corner.
And the security making sure that they escort John Amores back to the dugout, where he can no longer do any harm to anyone here out on the court.
Ayun na nga. Ito naman yung iniiwasan natin. If you have almost a blowout game, they just need to finish the ball game with yun na nga yung masama.